Hey, real quick guys, my name is Brandon with Style So Dapper, and if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, and everybody like these videos, and check out the playlist. And this is the December box for Birchbox. Great box, $10 a month. It's a good box to have. Let's get back to it. Alright guys, one more time before I close out this video. The things in the box, awesome. Love the bar soaps and the eye patch things. Definitely going to use those. Again, $10 a month. Can't beat it. You guys should check it out. Birchbox, December. And remember, subscribe, like buttons, bell icon. Check it out. Instagram, Twitter. Thanks for watching guys.